Hello everyone, welcome back to Novel Chemistry classes. Now today we are going to start today's topic for class 12 from the solid states. So let's we start now today's topic. Now here today we will discuss about the relationship between the radius of an atom and the age length of a unit cell. In last video we have discussed about the types of unit cells on the arrangement of an atoms, simple unit cell, body centered unit cell, and face centered unit cell. So let's start. We will discuss that one by one. What is the relationship between the age length of an atom, age length of a unit cells, and the radius of an atom in simple unit cell, in face centered unit cell, and in a body centered unit cell. So let's start now. Relationship between age length of a unit cell and radius of an atom. Now, simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic unit cell. A simple cubic unit cell is that unit cell in which the atoms are arranged only at the corners. जहाँ atoms को कहाँ arrange किया गया है, only उसके corners के ऊपर रखा गया है cubic unit cells के अंदर. उस unit cell को हम क्या कहेंगे? Simple cubic unit cell कहेंगे. For example के लिए मान लीजिए just like as now here this is an simple cubic unit cell. This is a simple cubic unit cell, and now here these are corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now atoms are arranged at the corner. Now here we will discuss about the solid state. So in solid states atoms are closely packed. So from here just like as this is an atom, this is also an atom. इसी तरह से सारे जो कॉर्नर्स हैं उनके ऊपर क्या रखे गए हैं? एटम्स रखे गए हैं. यहाँ जो ये एटम है, नाउ हियर दिस एटम इज नाउ इन ए spherical shape, in a circle shape and a spherical shape. So from here we can say this is the radius of an atom, and here this is also radius of an atom, and this is complete length of a unit cells, which is A. Now from here we can say that R be the radius of an atom, and A be the age length of a unit cell. So from here R plus R, that is equal to A. Now here this is the complete age length, and here half is the radius of the one atom, and that is R is the radius of the other atom. Now from here r plus r, that is equal to a. Now from 2r is equal to a and r is equal to a by 2. Now from here the radius of an atom is the half of the age length of a unit cell in a simple cubic unit cell. Now next we will discuss about the face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell is that unit cells in which atoms are arranged not only at corner but also on the face of a unit cell. किसी भी यूनिट सेल्स के बारे में हमने बताया था कि जो क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल्स होते हैं, सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल्स के अंदर 8 कॉर्नर और 6 फेसेस होते हैं. तो यहाँ अगर हम बात करें तो जो एटम्स होंगे वो अरेंज किए होंगे कॉर्नर एज वेल एज ऑन द फेसेस ऑफ एन यूनिट सेल. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर here this is a simple unit cells in which these are corners 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 8 and these are face. This is face and here 1 2 3 4 5 और एक just like इसके बिल्कुल opposite and 6. So from here the atoms are arranged corner as well as on the faces of an unit cell. Now here this is atoms just like this. Now here this is the atom which are arranged on the corner and this atom arranged in the face and here these atoms is also arranged on the another corner. Now from here this is the radius of one atom and here this is the center of this. Now from here capital R, that is the diameter of the second sphere and here this is the R of the radius of the third atoms and here this is the age length. Let this age length are A and this is also age length of an unit cells which is assumed also A. Now from here we can write small r be the, here this is the atom first, here this is the atom second and here this is the atom third. R be the radius of first atom and capital R be the diameter of second atom. R be the diameter, so from here R is equal to, that is R plus R. Okay, and next R be the radius of the third atom. तो यहाँ ही लिख देते हैं हम फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड एटम. ठीक है, एंड A be the age length of a cubic unit cell. Now here in triangle, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, that by Pythagoras theorem, AC का square, AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle and AB is the base of this triangle and BC is the perpendicular of this triangle. Now from here AC का square is equal to AB का square plus BC का square. Here AC is the hypotenuse, AB is base and BC is perpendicular. Now from here AC, now we see that, we look here, this is the R, small r, and here is the R is equal to R plus R, and here this is the R also. Now the complete length of the AC is R plus R plus R plus R का square, that is equal to AB का square, it means A square, and plus BC का square, that is A square. Now here 4R का square, that is equal to 2A square, and we can solve here. 4R square, that is 16R square, that is 2A square. 2A square. Now here 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16. So 8R square is equal to A, and here R square is equal to A square upon में 8, and R is equal to A square upon 8, that is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Now here the relationship between that, R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Now here R is the radius of an atom and A is the A's length of a unit cell. Now we see that one again here. This is the atom first whose radius is R, and this is the atom second whose diameter is R, and this is also R, and this is also R, and here this is the radius of the third atom whose radius is also R. Now complete length of the AC is R plus R plus R and plus R, that is 4R. Now from here in triangle ABC, here the length of a cubic unit cell is always equal. So here AB is equal to A and BC is equal to A. Now by the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, here AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the base and BC is the perpendicular. Now AC का square, that is equal to AB का square plus BC का square. Here AC का square, that is equal to R plus R plus R plus R, that is 4R का square, that is equal to 2A square. Now from here 16R square is equal to 2A square, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, so 8R square is equal to A square, and R square is equal to A square upon में 8, and R is equal to square root of A square upon में 8, and we can write here root 8, that is equal to A upon में 2 root 8. Now this is the relationship between the radius of an atoms and the age length of a unit cells for the FCC unit cell, face centered unit cell. And next, body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell is that unit cells in which atoms are arranged not only at corner but also on the body of a unit cells. Now from here, this is a simple cubic unit cell. This is the corner 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, one atoms are arranged in a body. So this is body is just like as in. Now that this is the atom which is present in a body. Now here atoms are arranged not only at corner but also in a body. Now in triangle ABC, here we see that this is the A and this is also A. This is the A's length of a cubic unit cell. So from here, for A be the A's length of a cubic unit cell. In triangle ABC, that is here AB is the base and BC is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. BC is the base and AB is the perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So from here AC का square that is equal to AB का square plus BC का square. Now here AC square is equal to A square plus A square, that is AC square is equal to 2A square. Now here in triangle ADC, here is one atom, here is the second atom and here is the third atom. Now here this is the R be the radius, here इसकी 2R हो जाएगी, इसके सेंटर में से जाएगी then, और यहाँ इसकी R, तो जो AD की वैल्यू होगी that is 4R square. In ADC, here AD is equal to 4R and BC is equal to A and AC is equal to 2. AC की वैल्यू भी हमने यहाँ निकाली है और DC that is equal to A. So from here AD का स्क्वायर that is equal to AC का होल स्क्वायर प्लस CD का होल स्क्वायर. AD स्क्वायर that is equal to 4R का स्क्वायर is equal to AC स्क्वायर that is 2A square and plus CD is A's length of a cubic unit cell that is A square. Now from here 4R square that is equal to 3A square and R square is equal to 3 by 4 A square and R is equal to root 3 by यहाँ 16R square आएगा, 4R square that is 16R square. Now from here this is the also 16 and R is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Now this is the relationship between the radius of an atom and the A's length of a cubic unit cell for the body centered cubic unit cell. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.